What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's vid, we grabbed these sneakers directly from our drop-off cleaning service. If you guys didn't know, we have a local drop-off cleaning service in Arizona where customers can bring their shoes and get them serviced by some true care specialists, kind of like a dry cleaner for your sneakers. However, if you're anywhere in the US, we got y'all covered as well. But I don't know what homie did with these shoes. They are looking extremely cooked, but there's not a doubt in my mind that our signature shoe cleaning kit and our Sneaker Laundry Detergent is gonna get the job done. With all that being said, there's not much left to it, but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, my fellow RESHOEVN8ers, we got our cleaning station all prepped. As you guys know, we're gonna be cleaning one shoe for that before and after purposes. However, we gotta take care of both as soon as possible since homie dropped these off to us. So just gonna grab this left shoe, set it aside, and right now I'm gonna insert our adjustable shoe tree just so we can apply as much as pressure as we need to, because I mean, cleaning this shoe like this is no bueno. So we're gonna insert the shoe tree right now, but first things first, I gotta remove these laces. Bam, now we got that nice hard toe box. So like I said, we can apply as much as pressure as I need to. With that being said, we can go ahead and get started with this pre-cleaning. Now I just gotta grab our solution and squirt some squirts into our bowl of water. All right, we're all ready to get started. Gonna start with our soft bristle brush. It is our softest brush. We're gonna need this especially because of this delicate mesh uppers. We're just gonna use circular motions and break down all this dirt and grime. So here I go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're all done using our soft bristle brush and we dried off the shoe. I am seeing some more deeper stains. However, I'm not too worried because we're all gonna flush all that out using our Sneaker Laundry system. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab our medium bristle brush and focus on this midsole. So here I go. All right, guys, if you have a pair of cooked Yeezys like these ones, you may notice that there are trapped in stains in that mesh. So you can go ahead and use that medium bristle brush. Just make sure you let the brush do the work and just brush in one direction and be very gentle. It's about that time for the last step of this pre-treatment. We're gonna go ahead and grab our stiffest bristle brush, which is our stiff brush. Who would have thought that? And go ahead and take care of this outsole. So here we go, let's get it. All right, there it is for that first pass with our stiff bristle brush. Like I said, these are our customer shoes, so I'm gonna hit it again just so we take extra care of him. But before I do that, as I was scrubbing away, I did notice we got some trapped in gunk on the shoe. So what I'm gonna do right now is just grab my my pick, and just go ahead and get this out of there. All right, there it is. I was able to get most of that fossilized gum off that sole. Last thing I gotta do is, like I said, hit it with one more pass with our stiff bristle brush before we hop into the laundry system. All right, the last thing we gotta do before we put this shoe inside the wash machine is just take care of our laces that have been chilling on the side. To do that, you're just gonna dip them in your bowl of water and swoosh them around a little bit like so. Woohoo, we popping over here. And just got the laces, put in between your hands and just start scrubbing, dubbing. Yo, side note, that was a pretty epic bubble. All right, there it is. Our laces are done, as well as our shoe. Right now, we're just gonna grab our laundry bag and place them in like so. Yes, sir, we got our shoes ready. Now I'm just gonna grab our Sneaker Laundry Detergent, place these in the wash machine using cold water so we can go ahead and flush out all those trapped in stains, and I'll be back before you know it. All right, I'm back like I never left. We did go and let this shoe 100% dry, and I mean, just check it out. Just gonna go ahead and grab this dirty pair just so y'all can see the before and after results. They are definitely night and day. I know the customer is gonna be extremely happy with these results as soon as we clean his second pair, that is. But right now, I just wanna talk a little bit about this sneakers. The Yeezy 350 Sesame, to me, this is definitely the last of its dying breed. This was part of the whole Yeezy era, at least towards the end of the era when the hype kind of died down a little bit. That's when Adidas just kept dropping literally the same colorway with a crazy name that I know you guys don't even remember. But it's time for us to go ahead and get these laced up so I can sign on out of here. There it is, there it is. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Yeezy 350 Sesames that we grabbed from our drop-off cleaning service. We got these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our Sneaker Laundry Detergent. All the products you saw in today's video are available at RESHOEVN8R.com, as well as all your shoe care needs. Make sure you guys hit that link in the description so you guys can save yourself some dollars. But before y'all dip, don't forget to drop a comment down below and let us know if y'all are still rocking with the 350s or not. Personally, I'm rocking with them. I mean, I got myself some creams, clays, and another colorway that I don't even know the name of. So if you guys got some of those as well, don't be too hard on yourself. And honestly, I low-key want another pair of creams. With all that being said, it's time for me to jet on out of here so we can take care of this second sneaker. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm sure I'll see you in another video. Deuces.